Similarly, now when we say balancing of redox reaction, balancing of redox reaction, balancing of redox reaction, simple rule for balancing of redox reaction: split the redox reaction into two half reaction, one for oxidation and one for reduction. Balance all other atoms except hydrogen and oxygen by hit and try method. In acidic solution, to balance oxygen, add water molecule to the side deficient in oxygen and double the amount of H plus ion on the opposite side. Add electron to the side deficient in electron and equalize the charge on both the sides. The first step is split the redox reaction into two half reaction, one for oxidation and one for reduction. Then balance all other atoms except hydrogen and oxygen. To balance hydrogen in acidic medium, add one water molecule for each deficient oxygen on the side deficient and double the amount of H plus ion on the opposite side. Then determine the electrons, add the electrons to the side deficient and then combine both the reactions and write it down. Multiply one of both the half reaction to equalize the number of electrons on both the sides. Add both the half reaction. Now in alkaline solution, you will follow the above rules, same rules. After that, now add on both the sides of the equation the same number of OH minus ion as the number of H plus ion. Just I'll take the example and explain it to you. Add H plus ion and OH minus ion to form water. Cancel any water that you can. Now in alkaline medium, first you will consider it as acidic solution. First follow the acidic rules. After that, you see wherever the number of H plus ions are coming, the same number of OH minus ion on both the sides. Combine H plus and OH minus ion to form water and then combine it and write it. Now I take a typical example like MnO4 minus plus Fe2 plus will give you Mn2 plus Fe3 plus. First we will split the two half reaction, one for oxidation and one for reduction. So this is oxidation and this is reduction and this is oxidation. Oxidation. Here MnO4 minus is changing into Mn2 plus, Fe2 plus ion is changing into Fe3 plus. Now you will find here there are 4 oxygen, here there is no oxygen. That means on the right hand side we are deficient of 4 oxygen. So we will add 4 water molecules and double the amount of H plus ion on the opposite side. Again I repeat, in this equation half reaction, here there are 4 oxygen, here there is no oxygen. So that means right hand side is deficient of 4 oxygen. We will add 4 water molecules on the right hand side and double the amount of H plus ion on the opposite side. So we get this. Now we will determine electron. Now to determine electrons, you see, 2 positive charge here, 2 positive of charge will cancel 2 positive charge from here. So we have 8 positive charge here, charge left is upon 6 plus. 6 plus will be neutralized by 1 electron, how many plus left? 5 plus left. To neutralize 5 plus we will be adding 5 electrons. So the overall reaction comes out to be this. Again I repeat, here there are 4 oxygen, here we don't have any oxygen. That means right hand side is deficient of 4 oxygen. So we add 4 water molecules. When we add 4 water molecules, then double the amount of H plus ion on the opposite side. Now we have to determine the charge. So always remember, same charges on opposite side will cancel each other. Same charges on opposite side will cancel each other. And opposite charges on the same side will cancel each other. Now same charges, here we have 8 positive charge, 8 positive charge में से 8 negative charge है, neutralize होता है, कितने positive charge बचे यहाँ पे 7. 7 positive charge में से 2 positive charge neutralize हो जाएंगे from right hand side. So how many positive charge left? 5 positive charge. For each positive charge we add 1 electron since there are 5 positive charge here, we add 5 electrons. So overall neutral reaction comes out to be this. Now Fe2 plus is changing into Fe3 plus. Here there are 2 positive, here there are 3 positive. 2 positive will cancel 2 positive. How many positive charge left? 1. To neutralize 1 positive charge, we add 1 electron. Now the number of electron in both the cases should be same. So we multiply this equation by 5. After multiplying this equation by 5, overall reaction comes out to this. Now we add both the half reactions to get an overall reaction. Now we will come to balance this reaction in alkaline medium. MnO4 minus plus I minus will give you MnO2 plus I2. 2I minus changing into I2. So we split the two half reaction. First rule, MnO4 minus gives you MnO2 and 2I minus gives you I2. This reaction will be balanced now in alkaline medium. Balanced in alkaline medium. Now we find MnO4 is changing into MnO2. Here there are 4 oxygen, here there are 2 oxygen. The right hand side is deficient of 2 oxygen, so we will add 2 water molecules and double the amount of H plus ion. As I told you previously, we will first balance it in acidic medium, in alkaline medium also, then we will follow the next rule. Now 4H plus, yeah, 2I minus is changing into I2. Here there are 2 negative charge, here there is no negative charge, so we have 2 electrons here. Now we determine the charge. 4 positive में से negative neutralize इधर है, कितने positive बचे? 3 positive charge. So 3 positive charge is neutralized by 3 electrons. Overall reaction comes in. Now we have to balance the electron. Here we have 2 electrons. Here we have 3 electrons. The first equation is multiplied by 3 and the second equation is multiplied by 2. We get this overall reaction. So till here we have balanced in acidic medium. Now we follow the rule. Here we have 8H plus. So I told you, हाँ जितने भी H plus होंगे उतने OH minus आयन ऐड होंगे. 8H plus के लिए मैंने 8 OH इधर ऐड करा और 8 OH minus इधर ऐड करा. 8H plus and 8 OH minus combined to form water. Now we have 4 water molecule. Here 4 water molecule cancel. 4 water molecule, net water molecule left is 4, and overall reaction comes out to be this. Again I repeat, in alkaline medium we will be balancing. In alkaline medium we will be balancing. First in acidic medium, first we split the two half reactions. MnO2I minus changing into I2. We balance the number of atoms by 2I. MnO4 minus is changing into MnO2. Now there are 4 oxygen, here there are 2 oxygen. Right hand side is deficient of 2 oxygen. To balance 2 oxygen, we will add 2 water molecules here and double the amount of H plus ion on the opposite side. After doing this, we will see the electrons. Here there are 2 negative charge, here we don't have any negative charge, so we add 2 electrons here. To utilize this reaction, there is 1 negative, 4 positive. 1 positive will be neutralized by 1 negative, so 3 positive charge left here. To utilize the 3 positive charge, we add 3 electrons. So here we are adding 3 electrons, here we are losing 2 electrons. To maintain both the electrons same, first equation is multiplied by 3 and second is multiplied by 6. After doing this, we add both the equations. 2 MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 6I minus will give 3I2 plus 2 MnO2 plus 4H2O. Now, as I told you, the number of H plus ion added, the same number of OH minus ion will be added on both the sides. So here we add 8 OH minus ion, here also we add 8 OH minus ion. 8H plus and 8 OH minus combined to form water. Here we have 8 water, here we have 4 water molecule cancel 4 water molecule, and the overall reaction comes out to be this. Now you remember that same charges on opposite side, if they are present, they will cancel each other, and if there are opposite charges on the same side, they will cancel each other. This point has to be remembered, and remember that first you will balance the acidic solution, that For each deficient oxygen, you will add one water molecule on the side deficient, and for each water molecule, for each deficient hydrogen, you will add one water molecule on the side deficient and double the amount of H plus ion on the opposite side. Now when you come to alkaline solution, first you have to balance it as acidic solution. After balancing it at acidic solution, you will add same number of OH minus ion on both the sides as the number of H plus that are coming. After that, you will combine H plus and OH minus ion to form water. Thank you.